Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zarbaliyev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Alright, let's take a look at the Excel challenge for this month. The goal of this challenge is to inform employees in an organization about their remaining vacation days and the deadline by which they must redeem them. So in this file, we have the vacation tracker worksheet. It contains each employee's name along with their employment start date at the company. Now, to use the vacation days at the company, you get 1 year, and that year starts on the anniversary of when you started at the company. So, like for Emma Smith, she started on April 10th of 2021. So the start date of her vacation period will be April 10th of this year. Now we have to use logic to figure out the start date of the vacation period for every employee. And it is a little complex, but we have given you the details on the challenge worksheet on how to figure out how to determine that start date of vacation period. Now, if you can do that, then figuring out the end date of the vacation period should be a snap because it's simply 1 year later than the start date. The next part is determining the work experience at the current workplace in full years. So how long have these employees been at this company in full years? We're looking for a number. That will be important because we're going to then determine how much complete experience they have in their career, as that determines how many additional vacation days they get. We've also given you the conditions for that. If an employee has less than 10 years of total work experience, they'll get 3 additional days. If they have between 10 and 20 years, they get 6 additional days. And if they have more than 20 years of total work experience, they get 9 additional vacation days. Now, the spreadsheet that we've provided will add those up and give you a total vacation days. But then we're going to ask you to reference the transactions worksheet, which is also included here, because that has the number of days each employee has used for vacation during the last period. So we're going to ask you to grab those numbers, put them in the right place, and that will then determine the remaining vacation days for each employee. But there's one more thing. Over on the right, there is a little lookup table. By changing the pull down, you select a different employee. What we'd like you to do is fill in the 2 fields below, the remaining vacation days and when they need to use them by. And that would be the end date of their vacation period. And the point is this: if that employee visits you or contacts you and says, hey, I need to use some vacation days, but I'm not sure how much I have left, you can quickly go to this file, find their information, and let them know. So, given all the tasks in this challenge, do you think you can do it? It will probably take a mix of different formulas, but we hope you enjoy this challenge. Let us know how you do, and let us know if you come up with some interesting solutions to solve it. Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!